Today, we're going to simplify the fraction 24 over 81, and we will do this with step-by-step explanation by finding the greatest common divisor, or GCD, and dividing both the numerator and denominator by the GCD. To simplify a fraction, the first step is to find the greatest common divisor of both the numerator and the denominator. The GCD of two numbers is the largest number that divides both of them without leaving a remainder. Let's start with 24. We find all of the numbers that can divide it evenly. For 24, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Next, let's do the same thing for 81, listing out all of its factor. The factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81. To find the greatest common divisor, or GCD, we take the largest number that appears in both sets of factors. In this case, the largest common factor is 9. So 9 is our GCD. Now, let's simplify the fraction using the GCD. We take both the numerator and denominator of our original fraction and divide each by the greatest common divisor, 9. This means we're left with a simplified expression of 2 over 9.